It's Monday, it is raining and it is pouring and it's definitely time for an apartment reset. The first thing I'm gonna do is make my bed so I have somewhere to sort my clothing. Perfect. Now let's take these clothes and throw them on the bed. And now, whatever is dry from last night's wash gets thrown on the bed too. Now we're talking. Underwear stack here. All right. Now I just have to do everything else. I can't believe I've gotten down to this much. From my underwear drawer declutter, I would say it amounted about to half this bag. For the most part, I use the Longchamps the most often because they are so light. I also use this bag from Ardennes. I'm taking these bags off the back of my door because I'm not readily using them right now. Now that everything else is put away, I can vacuum. Actually, before I vacuum, I think I should clean the bathroom. This is crazy. I have my towels shoved in a kitchen lower cabinet, and then I have all of these hair products and hot tools shoved in here, and I don't use them all simultaneously, obviously. And then I have the under part of the sink in the bathroom. I'd really like to get the bathroom trash down there and probably throw out a few of these products because I don't know how long they've been there. Seriously, there are dental supplies, there's random bags, and I think that I just need to stock toilet paper, tissue boxes, something to clean the bathroom with, because right now the trash is right here, and I have not even started the closet yet, and I'm just gonna wipe down the inside of this. Maybe that'll be all I do today, because looking at this petrifies me right now. I've thrown out a bunch of things that were on the floor, and this is how far we've gotten under the sink. I was rummaging through stuff and I found this bucket, which is where I'm gonna put cleaning supplies to clean the bathroom, which I'm gonna keep behind the stack of toilet paper right there. I am really happy about this. Got bath supplies, things I use on a daily, including the hand soap. So, a bucket with cleaning supplies for the bathroom specifically, spare toothbrushes in a plastic container, and some spare razors. And then I have toilet paper and Kleenex, and we have our trash can. Now behind the trash can, there's actually another little storage bin with some extra supplies. This is what it is. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get those bottle stains out with some kind of a magic eraser, but for now, I'm quite happy. For anyone who hasn't seen what's in my medicine cabinet, there is no medicine. It's just all skincare supplies and hair care supplies that fit in there. I know it's a bit early for this, but I found this Winter Wonderland candle in my mom's room, so I'm running that in the bathroom. I'm not gonna pretend like the shower isn't a little chaotic, but I use all these items. And then I have a body soap here. Oh yeah, and because I changed my mind about everything, this is what it looks like now. I swapped out that bath product container for some dried lavender. It conveniently covers that stupid stain I can't wash out. Call me wild, but I love these old school towels. Like, I'm a granny, you guys. I'm a grandma. And when the light is off, it is a vibe. It's a vibe in the bathroom. I'm overdue to wash the towels. At my desk there are a couple of drawers that we need to clean and sort through. I keep pens and things like that here, and this is my everyday makeup drawer, which chaos. At this point, I'm gonna pop into the shower because I just finished washing the towels, and it would be the perfect opportunity to put in everything I'm wearing, all my dark clothes, in the wash while I shower. Since we got a couple pairs of new leggings, what am I talking about? It looks a bit crazy in there. These items are getting taken out because they are seasonally inappropriate. These items are getting decluttered. I've got loungewear, leggings, and workout tops, a pair of shorts, socks, a bunch of t-shirts, a couple of sweatery pajama pieces back there for when it gets a bit colder. And then I've got my jeans. It is dark. My room is dark. I am not going to be waiting until I get the curtain rod of my dreams to push this thing up. There is a light outside of my bedroom that flashes all night long and it drives me crazy, so I have to put a shade. Well, I made a little mess, but I put them up. They're up, and I hate that curtain rod with a passion, but here we are. Yeah, it's higher, and to me it just looks better. It's looking very beige in here. I didn't make my bed this morning. Admittedly, it is Thursday and some of these clips are not exactly in order. You will have seen a few things in my other vlog, but I wanted to make this an entirely declutter related vlog. If you couldn't tell, I might not have made my bed in the morning, but I will do it at some point later in the day if I haven't already, because there's nothing in the world like getting into bed when it's made. I'm making some mussel spaghetti with some tomato sauce. These were the mussels that I got, and it's a recipe that I used to have sometimes with Mom, because when you don't want to cook, it's nice to have some frozen seafood. I'm also going to be baking some cookies. Lately I've been doing too many groceries and not eating enough from the pantry. Wait a second, where am I going with this? Oh yeah, I need to start eating up these things. Kind of like doing a Project Pan, except for it's like a pan that pantry. My mussel spaghetti dinner is ready, but I'm gonna work out first, put some laundry away, and relax. Yesterday I didn't work out, but I did walk for more than an hour and a half, and then I picked up A&W because that is life, man. I walked around downtown and just window shopped. On a Wednesday, it's nice. Beginner-friendly series. Dude, she said beginner-friendly, and it was, but I'm out of breath. So I think the right choice was made because the pulses took me out. They took me out. I don't even think you can see the muscles, but this meal will have to suffice for tonight. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. I followed this recipe that I've never done before and I'm not really a fan, but I took a silicone spatula to the Nutella. Now I can get rid of this because there's nothing a little tea and Nutella can't fix. I have been doing YouTube since 2010, receiving copious amounts of PR, and I haven't done a declutter since 2018, so here we are.